Gonads. Gonads are primary sex organs which are developed from the mesoderm of the embryo. They include testes and ovaries. Testes are male gonads and ovaries are female gonads. Male gonads testes. The testes consist of Leydig cells in the interstitial tissue, which are also endocrine cells that produce male sex hormone called androgens, among which testosterone is the main hormone. Functions of testosterone. It stimulates the normal functioning of male secondary sex organs like seminal vesicle, prostate gland, penis, etc. It stimulates the development of secondary sexual characters in male like beard, mustache, deepening voice, broadening of shoulder, increased muscle mass. It helps in the formation of sperms, that is spermatogenesis, in the seminiferous tubules of the testes. Hyposecretion of testosterone. Hyposecretion of testosterone results in delayed puberty, infertility, reduced sexual desire, decreased muscle mass and strength. Hypersecretion of testosterone. Hypersecretion of testosterone results in early puberties in boys, aggressive behavior, acne, risk of prostate enlargement in adults. Female gonads ovaries. Ovaries produce three hormones: estrogen, progesterone, relaxin. Estrogen hormone. Estrogen hormone is secreted by cells of Graafian follicles, which stimulates the maturation of ova, development of mammary gland and uterine wall. It also stimulates the development of secondary sexual characters in female like onset of menstrual cycle, enlargement of breast, broadening of pelvis, development of pubical and axillary hair, etc. Hyposecretion of estrogen hormone result in delayed puberty, irregular menstruation. Hypersecretion of estrogen hormone result in early puberty, menstrual irregularities. Progesterone. It is a hormone secreted by corpus luteum of the ovary, which stimulates further development of uterine wall and mammary gland. It is required for placenta formation and for maintenance of pregnancy. Hyposecretion of progesterone hormone result in irregular period, infertility, miscarriage, etc. Hypersecretion of progesterone hormone result in menstrual irregularities, impact on fertility, physical symptoms such as acne, skin issue, weight gain, tiredness, anxieties, etc. Relaxin. It is a hormone secreted by corpus luteum during late pregnancy that softens the pelvic ligament of pelvic girdle at the time of childbirth for easy labor. Hyposecretion of relaxin hormone result in difficult labor, risk of miscarriage. Hypersecretion is also rare but may occur luteal cyst or ovarian tumor.